All right, so I got the next one set up, and this one's a fun one. It's a pretty quick one as well. And I just need to find HRH. I don't know where she went. Because the next one she's really going to like because it's called Dracula's Kiss.
Ah.
There she is.
I'm living out my Vampire Diaries dream.
That's so funny. I should have used a Vampire Diaries bourbon for you on this one.
Yes.
So,
Damon Salvatore, Ian, yes.
So we need our chief for this one because we're vampires.
I'll put it back in.
All right. So I make these cute little glasses just for the occasion. Let's see before I try to go. Are you doing it?
Yeah, I'll take it off.
Let's do it. Okay. Let's take them out. Then we do afterwards. We'll put them back in. All right. I made these cute glasses for it. It's vampire blood with some vampire teeth for decoration.
Mine is Damon.
Yeah, yours is Damon. Mine is I don't know. Elvira.
Elvira.
And so for this, it's pretty much a very simple version of an old fashioned. So what do we need in an old fashioned? We need some spirit, right?
Yes.
And I got the Smoke Wagon Halloween edition. This is the new one. Cool thing is, this glows in the dark.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Very nice.
2 full ounces in each one. Now, I'll have in the recipe below on how to make the blood. It actually is pretty cool because it's made with some chocolate, so it has a nice chocolate flavor to it as well. Now, to make this a little bit more special, we got to add a little bit of glitter.
What vampire doesn't glitter?
Exactly. So we're going to add a little bit of glitter.
We're getting all the series.
So what I'm doing is adding some red glitter, but also some of this kind of iridescent one because it actually just shows up better in drinks. So, oops. Let me get some in there and some in here. Now, I got glitter on myself. All right. So, get your ice. Dump one ice in yours, and I'm going to dump one in mine. So, just choose one for yours. I believe in you. We can do it.
Oh, my God.
All right. We're just going to add that one ice in there. And so, now, the fun part, right? What's next that we have to have in any old-fashioned? Sugar and bitters. So what I made was sugar is the grenadine. There's actually grenadine here, but there's also Peychaud bitters in here. But to make it more fun, we put it in a syringe.
Yes.
Because you know, how do you get blood out of somebody? In a syringe, right?
Love it.
So just pour that in here. And I mean, if you want, you can add a little bit more if you want. There's more in here. But I'm going to keep mine as is. I don't want to make it too sweet. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use this to stir it up a little bit. Just to stir it up.
It's like gory.
Yeah, I love it, right? This was my test glass, but it came out so well, I decided to use it for the props.
Damon teeth are falling.
Yeah, you did a good job of stirring it there. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Oh, good old fashioned.
Very good.
Yeah. That actually makes a very good old fashioned.
And the glitter makes it bougie.
Oh, yeah. So look at that glitter in there.
Bougie vampire.
Bougie vampire. Now, if you wanted to, you can always add red dye to it to make it a little bit darker, make it more red. Because in the video, like when you're looking this up, they're very red. But I didn't want to make it any sweeter.
This
I didn't
one's
want to add.
bougie.
Yeah, this one's bougie.
Bougie.
So we got the vampire rim. Did you actually try it with the blood on the side?
Yeah, I love the chocolate.
Yep, adds a little bit more chocolate flavor, and I definitely will make sure to leave that recipe below because I looked through so many recipes on how to make the blood, and this was, I think, the best one for this.
Yes, I agree.
All right.
We just gotta see if it's Ian approved. You know, Damon Salvatore. So, you know, we gotta tag him to see if he would like this one.
We'll tag him.
Yeah. Tag him.
Well, thank you for joining me on another journey down my old-fashioned rabbit hole. I have to be careful because I think she already got bit. So. To all my friends out there, cheers. All right, I'm got set up for our next one. I just don't know where HRH is. Where's HRH? Our next one is called...
Cheers.